I haven't vlogged in such a long time, and it feels really weird. I'm so used to doing beauty videos.
There's up on the hill.
And what?
There's someone up on top of that hill, mate.
I'm so used to doing like sit-down videos with you, so it actually feels really weird vlogging. But we are. I had a real good lay-in today. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I've been getting up really early to get some work done, and over this week, and I thought I'm just gonna lay in. Like, we both woke up at 8:30 this morning, and then what happened was I just felt like a migraine coming on, so I just decided to go back to sleep, and I didn't get up till about 11 o'clock, which is really naughty. But we're off to a shopping centre because Liam wants to change his phone. He wants to change. I hate that little bit. Because it's just ridiculous. People must really crash off that bit. Ugh, horrible. Liam wants to change from Apple to Nexus, is it? Pixel? He wants to go and have a look at the Pixel, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna have a mooch around at the, if he lets me, I'm gonna go and look at the new Makeup Revolution stuff. Just have a look, that's it. And gonna have a look at the, as he's going into a phone shop, I'm gonna look at the iPhone 10, the new one, whatever it is. The XR's out now, isn't it? I got an email saying about pre-ordering it.
Yeah.
I don't really get what the difference is, but anyway.
It's to stop people buying the iPhone 10.
Yeah.
I think.
So, I put up on Instagram, I think it was like a few days ago, about me sharing something with you that I'm going through, and you guys have asked me to do it. Now, I've gone through the footage, and I just don't feel confident enough to post it as it is, because what happened was it was so raw that the next day I was just dealing with it, and it all just come out, and it was long, and I was crying, and I don't feel confident enough putting that out on the internet. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go over it, but I'm probably going to go over it next week, because I'm going to film a Q&A next week, because you guys have asked me a few questions on Instagram, so I'm going to film that next week, and then I'm going to try and film this video, but it is very emotional, and I try and keep my channel as positive as possible. Like, I don't want negativity on it, but like I said from the start, when I first told you guys like what I will be doing on my channel, is I want it to be real, really real, and I want you to kind of follow my life, but I want you to be with me at the highest points of my life and at the lowest points, because I think that's what it's about, and that is how you make that connection with someone. So I am going to share it with you. I think I'm starting to, like, I've processed it now, it's gone in, and I'm hurting still, but it's not as raw, it's not as fresh, so I think I needed a few days, but I am going to share it with you guys. Also, I'm dying to tell you something, but we can't really tell them, can we? Anyway, shit face. Yeah, so I'm really want to share this with you, but I don't know if I can just yet. But I'm hoping next week we will have confirmation, and I will then be able to share it with you. I just don't think I should, like, I don't think we should share it just yet. But anyway, I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's just say it's going to be a massive change, and good things are going to happen, good things are coming up, and I just can't wait. I just can't wait for my channel to have something where you can literally follow every step of the way. It'll be really good, and it's just like, it's a new start, and I know that we all say that, new year, new start, but for me and Liam it really is, especially for me, because this year has been such a roller coaster, isn't it? Yeah. Emotional roller coaster. You are?
We planned such a different year, didn't we? And then it's just been the complete opposite.
Yeah, we had a lot planned for this year, and it didn't turn out that way. So But I'm really excited, and yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Things are gonna work out a lot better. Things are gonna be easier. Things are gonna be good. Anyway, I'm gonna do two little things here. First of all, I want you guys to start checking out my blog. If you don't know, I have a blog going. I've had it going for quite a while now, but what I'm doing on it is I'm sharing my I'm sharing skills and things, and I'm answering your questions. So I get asked quite a lot about domain authority, and I get a lot of blogging questions. So what I'm doing is I'm starting to write posts about them. So not only is my blog a beauty blog with makeup, etc., and working with brands, it's also going to be
about smelly bums.
So about my smelly bum. No, I'm going to share everything I know with you about blogging. Obviously I've got them 2 ebooks about YouTube and blogging, but the other ones, like the rest of it, I am going to be answering your questions. So I have just posted it was quite a big blog post. I was working on it all day yesterday, and it's basically how to increase your domain authority, because that is one of the most important things to be able to work with brands. And I only have ever been able to do posts and make money off of it ever since I've grown that domain authority, and I'm still growing it. So it's very important to have it, because that is how you get ranked in Google searches. So very similar to like an algorithm, but anyway, it's explained in much more detail on that post. So I'm going to put the little website there if you go on that. Also, I want you guys to go and subscribe to my boyfriend's YouTube channel, because he's losing motivation to post, and I want him to continue doing it, and he hasn't posted for nearly 5 weeks now, because we worked out it's 4 weeks the other day, so 4 or 5 weeks. So I want you guys to maybe give him a little bit of oomph and motivate him. So I'll put his channel there as well. He does like trainers and vlogs and chit chats and oh my god. So yeah, I want you to do that. And also, am I gonna do Vlogmas this year?
Of course you're gonna do that.
I didn't do Vlogmas last year. Did I? I didn't do Vlogmas. I can't see anything right now. I didn't do Vlogmas last year, but I did post a lot of vlogs at Christmas. Obviously I'm gonna post at Christmas, but because of this new change that's happening, I'm probably gonna try and do Vlogmas as much as I possibly can. Are you doing Vlogmas?
Probably not. It's not a vlog sort of thing to do. Well, Vlogmas.
Why is it not? Of course it is. It's a YouTuber's thing to do. Anyway, I'm probably going to do it because I want to share with you everything, like getting decorations. We're going to do all that, decorating the house. Just everything, like me and Liam, like basically we are hosting Christmas this year. I've never hosted Christmas. I've never done any hosting for anyone, so it's very new to me. I've always been quite a shit host. Like when my mum and David come around, they're always like, can we have a drink or what? Like, I'm not very good at it, but this time I'm going to step my game up and I'm going to be really, really good at it, and I'm going to make sure everything's perfect, and we're going to have everything for people, and it's going to be good. Like, it's going to be different because I'm always used to going around someone else's house and them hosting for us, so it's going to be different. But yeah, I'm really excited for Vlogmas and wrapping presents and things like that. So if you love them kind of videos, because I know I love watching Vlogmas videos, because you know that that person's going to post every single day, you build that connection, and it's just fun because not everyone's Christmas is exciting, you know, and sometimes it's nice to kind of delve into someone else's little world, because that's what it's like, isn't it? It's like when you watch their videos and you get really into them, you go into their little world and what they do every day and what they're going through and stuff. So that's what it's all about. But if you want me to do Vlogmas, then let a bitch know. You make me laugh when you twiddle your beard. That's what old people do. Yeah, they do. They do.
That's what they go like that.
Yeah, that's what you're going to do eventually when you're thinking. You look like you're having a good think.
Yeah, because I'm trying to remember what exit it is.
What exit is it?
Oh, I know which one.
He loves me, really. your birthday. Been with you long enough.
I know, it took you a year and a bit to remember.
I'm just very bad remembering things, and that's not true. I did remember your birthday. Yeah, so I don't even know what we're doing, but I know that I've got something planned for Liam's birthday. Got something planned.
Have you, man?
Yes. Hi guys, so I didn't vlog when we was walking around the shops just because it was very busy where we went, and there was no point, you wouldn't have been able to hear anything. So we're home, Liam's got his phone, I'll show you guys. So he's just getting all of his stuff set up.
Yeah, a message to everyone who is an iPhone user. Don't, no, what is it? I mean, the way iPhone's going at the minute, the software's not brilliant, but, you know, don't be afraid to take a peep over the wall before it's too late. Because Android is miles better now.
Is it?
So don't be afraid to peep over the wall before it's too late. Don't worry about the Apple ecosystem either.
Mine just seems to be really slow. It's also turning itself off a lot as well, so... But I'm okay with mine right now. One day I'll get the 10, probably get the 10 or the 10X Plus thing. Hello, baby. Say hi. Hi, Nose.
Same screen size, I think, yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen these phones. Oh, this is cool. And that's the thumbprint.
Yeah, fingerprint scanner. Oh, get off, please.
What's all the noises?
Doing updates, isn't it? Look.
It's not focusing. My camera's
Just
not.
doing updates.
There we go. Focus. Hello, camera. Let's focus today. This camera keeps not focusing properly. I don't know why, but that's not a pile of poo. It's Snugs' dinner. Hello. Hiya. Got grown up she is now. We've just got to.
If someone walks out.
Aye. We've just got to my mum's. We're visiting her tonight. Wait, because she's going to cook us dinner.
We're waiting for the lift.
Waiting for the lift. I hate lifts. I hate them.
Hello, fuck. What?
Hi. No, there's no Missy, I forgot. No Missy.
Oh yeah, use it.
We've got what's that smell?
Use it. That's my waxy thing.
Where's your lava lamp then? Ah, that's nice. We're with Mum and David. Why is this out of focus again? Show you. Oh no, I'm not putting you on. I'm showing them your lava lamp. David got Mama this lava lamp. How pretty is that? I love that. Do you like it, Liam? This lava lamp. Look at it. It's cute. It's well nice. And then I think I showed you guys his fishes, but Missy's not here anymore. So just to update you, Missy's not here anymore, and it's sad, but she's basically, Mum and David have moved into an apartment, so they can't have their cat, so Missy's gone, and it is quite sad, but Missy's gone, guys. But you've got Snug, Cindy and Nala to keep you company. We're not getting any more animals. Mum, just say hello.
No, I'm in my dressing gown.
Just say hello.
Hello.
Just camera shining. Look, see, she won. And she doesn't like anything yet.
Hi, David.
How are you doing, all right?
What's this?
Yeah, it's good. So much good. Strawberries and lime.
Oh, wow.
Is it nice?
Oh, wow, yeah. That tastes like Copperberg. I bet that's proper cheaper than a Copperberg, wouldn't it?
There you go.
Thank
You always
you.
have a drink when you come in, you know that.
Yeah.
It's tradition in the house.
This is what I'm having. HCC strawberry and lime. cider. Tastes like Copperberg, really nice.
That is a can.
Pardon?
85 pence.
Shut up!
Shut the front.
Liam, this tastes like Copperberg and this is only 85 pence.
Yeah, but it's just a one-off.
Try it.
B&M's.
It's a bit like a Bulmers.
B&M's.
A bonus?
It's like a cider, Bulmers. It's alright, isn't it? It's nice.
We got no wine or anything. Anyway, camera off, please.
Oh, you can't see me. Fucking hell. Oh. I'm trying to vlog, but I'm in the car, it's late, and we've just basically pulled up at Tesco's. I'm really sorry guys, but I'm probably gonna have to put the light on 1 second. Where's the light in this place, honey? Where is the light? Why has he not got a light in this gaff, in this car? I'm confused here. I actually don't know where his light is. How weird is that? It's not on the bit up here. I actually don't know where his light is. That is the weirdest thing ever. Anyway, you're probably gonna have to just accept that I've got my phone light on. Anyway, yeah, we've just pulled up at Tesco's. We're just grabbing a few bits, and we've just had dinner at my mum's. Let me see if I can get you over here. That's a bit bad, maybe. We've just had dinner at my mum's. I'm so cold. I miss Nala so much. We were just talking about like how if I leave Nala for a few hours, like I get proper nervous and I get proper anxiety and I worry so much about her. Like, it's actually crazy how much I start worrying about her. Like, I'm worried. I want to see her, I miss her. We haven't even been away for like 5 hours. We've only been away for like 4 or 5, but I'm so used to being at home with her, so when we do go out, I miss her. Like, I remember the first time we went to Robbie's concert and Drake's concert last year, and we had to leave her on our own for a long time, a good 8, 9, 10 hours, and I just couldn't cope because I missed her so much. Everyone's staring at me right now, so I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!